Previously, I shared a video about how to unfold paper in After Effects, and so many of you watched it and found it so helpful. But this time, I want to share you even an easier way to do it. No manual work required, just install Atomix plugin and download Collage Pack from the link in the description. Okay, after installation Atomix plugin, you can install the Collage package. As you can see, it accesses you a wide range of animation for unfolding paper, which is amazing. This package saves tons of time for you. There are too many animations for unfolding paper. I really like it. I usually use it in my project, and actually it enhances my workflow. Okay, if you want to add your image to the file, you just need to open one of them and open the composition, and instead of image that they use, you replace your own image. But be careful, your image should be PNG file, As you can see, my image beautifully unfold from the paper. So easy, just by some click.